I'm Nikhil and I'm from AIIMS Institute, Peanut Industry.
What is today's program actually?
The program is really great. We met a lot of famous personalities, a lot of people who have a lot of background. We actually saw a retired Major General. We saw an NRI businessman who's from India but spends less than 60 days in India per year. So yeah, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of informative stuff going on.
Yeah, evening also
Yeah,
we'll have a function.
yeah, we'll have it till 4:15, and we just attended a session on international patent rights, intellectual patents, and yeah, it's very informative. It's really good, I'd say. Yeah, a day well
Tomorrow,
spent.
what about tomorrow?
We don't know exactly the itinerary for tomorrow, but we've heard that like today, we'll have a lot of special, very distinguished speakers, and yeah, we're looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's students or business people who are useful to this occasion.
Well, it's actually good for people like us. We're doing MBA right now, so we're people who are looking forward to going into the corporate field. So getting advice from people who are already there, it's very good. And people at this level, we can't really find the crowd everywhere. The speakers are really all high level.
Speakers also very good actually.
Yeah, they're all high level.
Yeah,
So it's
it's
really
a
good
very
for our students.
it's very good opportunity for students and business people. Huh?
Yeah, it's students and business people. If it's a startup or something, you'll get a lot of ideas from here. And for students also, likewise.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so much.